When I tell y'all, I was like every day. Welcome back for another Vlogmas video. As you can see by the title, today's video is a product empties hair edition. This video is a little bit different for me because I don't think I've ever done an empties video, just because I would like forget and throw them away, or honestly I just never done one and I like watching them. I think throughout the years I've shared like products I've used up, but not a full-on empties video. Let's hop right into this video, and I will try to like link everything. Most of the time I find this stuff in store. Some of the stuff I did find on Amazon just because it's easier and quicker. But yeah, check the description box below if you would like to find these products, or you know, just know a little bit more. But I actually ended up throwing some things away and I forgot, and I was like, dang it, I meant to keep that. But anyways, so these are all hair products. So I have them grouped in order of like how I do my wash days. So the first product is by Bonbar. It's the No. 0 bonding primer, and actually I have the whole collection, but this is the only one that I completely ran out of like extremely fast. So the thing about this is you're supposed to spray it on like your dry hair before you even start your wash day routine, and it says it helps reduce breakage after one use. I don't really know that it did that, and I've been trying to use the line consistently. Now I did like how my hair felt when I used the entire product line, but this product by itself, I'm really not sure if it did anything. It is budget friendly enough that I'm willing to try it again, and you basically just spray it all over your hair, and then you go on to the next step, which is like another pre-treatment, and then you shampoo. So yeah, the whole line is built to like build the bonds of your hair, to repair it and hydrate it. So as a set altogether, I actually like it, and I like using products of the same line altogether. So I'm thinking I'm going to repurchase this and keep trying it, because like my hair is feeling healthier, it is feeling better. So I can't say that it's not working, but I can't say that it is. I'm just willing to try it again. Alright, so moving on to hair wash products. So I actually only have two, and that's because I have been using the Melanin Hair Care shampoo, and that's a bigger bottle, and I only shampoo once a week, so I haven't gone through it as quickly. But in a vlog this year, I went and tried some Not Your Mother's products, and so I have the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Scalp Care Cleansing Oil, and it says it gently cleanses and removes buildup while restoring natural oils, and it has white clay, peppermint oil, and superfood oil blend. I don't think I'm gonna repurchase this, and let me tell you why. I like co-washes and I like shampoos, and the current shampoos and co-washes I have right now I'm kind of liking. Like, I'm still trying out some, but this, you could feel the peppermint, and it does have a tad bit of a lather, like the slightest bit of lather. But when I washed it out, I definitely could feel the oil left, and it felt so weird to me. And it was probably very good for my hair. It felt so like oily that I didn't feel like I washed my hair, even though my hair was clean. So I don't think I'm gonna try this again, just for the simple fact that I didn't like the way it felt, and it wasn't bad. Like, I liked the peppermint feel. I liked how it was like lathering. It reminds me of a co-wash, but that oily feeling after, just, it threw me. So I don't think I'm going to repurchase this one again. Next product is by a company called Bread, and I actually had never really heard of them until I walked in Ulta and I saw it, and okay, the black girl on the front got me. That I was influenced, and then I started researching and seeing if there was any videos out, because I was like, I wonder before I waste my money, because I'm not gonna lie, this is not a cheap or like more affordable line. It is a bit pricey, and I absolutely love the packaging though. Like, look at this, so cute, so like compact that I could take it out of town. And I actually did. I tried it out of town, and I tried it again at home, and I like this one, y'all. So it says it's the hair wash is light marshmallow like cream that transforms into a gentle lather, and it does. Like, it's so soft. Like, I honestly think that this is like a good cleanser in the place of a co-wash if you're not a co-wash girly, because it's very soft, very moisturizing, and it felt so good on my hair. It is so milky and creamy, but my hair felt clean. It felt so good. So even though this is not like a more budget friendly, affordable hair wash, I would be willing to buy this again because it made my hair feel so good, and we want to feed our hair what it likes. All right, so next up is deep conditioner. So the first one is the Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Avocado Hydrating and Defining Mask. Good Lord, that is a lot for a name. So they were having like, I think a sale or something at Ulta, and I tried it. And y'all, like, I mean, when I say I scraped this, I was like, please, dear God, let there be in here. So until I ran out of this, I was actually switching every wash day. I would use this and then the Briogeo Don't Despair. This and that. Like, my hair felt so good after rinsing this out, and this one's the more hydrating one, and the Briogeo one is a more repairing one. And so I would definitely repurchase this. Like, it just felt so good. Like, it combs into my hair really easy. I've been finger detangling a lot, and I really like it. And I also like that these products last for 18 months versus 12 months, because sometimes you don't get back around to the deep conditioner that quick, especially when you're like alternating. But this one, I used it up so quick, I was like, dang, like, I'm already out. So that's how much I like this one, because this one was bought pretty recently, I think like September, October, and I ran out. Like, it's been in the pile of used up for so long. So the next one is the Miche Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. This one is completely out too. Like, when I tell y'all I scrape my deep conditioners, I have been using this for years. If you go back, any of them that I haven't like taken down, old videos of when I first tried the Miche products, girl, I've been using these nonstop ever since then. Like, I think I originally had bought like her bundle of like all the minis to try out, and like her hair wash and this I fell in love with. I also have the protein one, and I don't use that one up as much, but this one I say every time that it reminds me of the TGIN honey mask one. I can't think of the exact name. I'll pop a picture somewhere if I remember, but this reminds me of that one, and it is so moisturizing. I love using it, and I actually like used it so much, like my hair was like really soft. I was like, oh snap, I better throw her protein one in here every now and then, because I just kept liking the way this one felt, and I just wanted to deep condition. So if you haven't been able to tell by now, I absolutely love to deep condition. It is my favorite step of the hair process. I love buying deep conditioners. So the next one, I don't know where the lid is. It is completely empty though. I keep these little ones in the shower to do like my midweek routine. It's the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. And I actually found a bunch of these little bottles at the Dollar Tree, and I scooped them up. I think I bought like 15 of them, because I like the way it feels. And like, when you go out of town, it's so good to have like little size travel bottles, and you don't have to like pour and refill. Like, they were already ready, and I was like, bet, I'm gonna take these. And I actually did travel with them, but then I started using them in the shower because I remembered how much I liked it, how quick of a deep condition I got. Now, if you are like the curly girl friendly girlies, you probably won't like this. I actually left that a long time ago. I just use whatever I like, and it works for me. So whatever works for you works for you. So moving on to like leave-in and styling products, I only have two. So the first one is the Shea Moisture Sugarcane Extract and Meadow Foam Seed Silicone Free Miracle Styling Leave-In Treatment. This is a product that I have been using for years. I actually liked it on my straight hair more than my curly hair. I like it on my curly hair as like a refresher, but I absolutely love this on my straight hair when I do my straight hair routine. I have not straightened my hair since the summer, and so this has been empty for quite a while, but it makes my hair feel so soft and like gives it that boost of like moisture. It's light enough that it doesn't weigh my hair down when it's straightened, so that's why I love this so much for my straight hair. But it's also lightweight and nice if you have like a heavier gel to pair with this. This would be nice for like the spring and the summertime as well. Any Shea Moisture products that are like OGs that I probably will keep repurchasing until the day I die, like for sure will repurchase. So the next product is a leave-in conditioning curl cream. So it's kind of crazy because at first when I got it, I thought it was a hair cream, And then when I kept reading it, I was like, oh, it's a leave-in conditioning curl cream. Like, I was so confused. Anyways, it is by the same company, Bread. I want to say The Bread, but I just think it's Bread. And this, like, can you hear, like, this thing is so hard. And I got the small size because I was like, let me just buy a small one in case I don't like it. Like, I scraped it, y'all. Like, it is so gone. It is so gone. Like, I probably could have got that last little bit, maybe not. And I actually ended up really liking it. So let me give you a little background and detail on it. It says it's a leave-in conditioning curl cream, silky soft styling cream that treats your hair while you wear. And so it's like so conditioning, but it's also a cream. And it's nice and thick too. So at first I was like, it's a leave-in conditioner. Okay, I'm gonna put something on top of it. But as I was going, I remember saying, like, I could probably put this on and just only this. Like, it was so moisturizing. So it is a conditioning cream. Like, it's thick, but it's conditioning. And if you know most creams, they're not really conditioning. They're just like really thick to like hold in all the moisture you've already put under it. Like, most of the times if I put on a cream, I'll put a leave-in then the cream, especially in the winter. And I think this is one that I would really, really enjoy in the winter. I actually want to revisit it because I can't remember what I paired it with or if I actually just did it alone. I feel like I put a gel with this and I can't think. It was so far in the summer that I can't even remember. But if I restock on any products this winter, it would be this. Like, I want to try this again. All right, so the next 3 products are oils or like hair sheens. The first one is this twist by, I think it's by Weedad. I saw this on Amazon and I just wanted to try it out because I was looking for like a spray to hydrate and revive my hair. And it's actually a hydrating dry oil. And I was like, well, let me try this. But most of the time when you try like a reviving spray or something to like refresh your hair, it's very watery, water-based, and it just makes your hair like shrivel up. And so you have to diffuse it back out in order for your hair to like look right. And the thing about it is, I was like, I don't want to do that. I want something in the morning, take my pineapple down, spray it, and go. This is, I'm supposed to like, you know, hydrate, condition, shine. It did that as far as the shine, but like the actual like reviving my hair, I don't think I got that. It felt very dry still, so I probably won't be repurchasing this. Next one is this Carol Star Black Vanilla Shine Enhancing Hair Sheen. I have been buying this for years and years and years and years. I always pick one up when I'm at Ulta and I see them there, or if I go to like Target or somewhere and they have like the big bottle, I'll pick one up just because it gives my hair a nice sheen. Like, I wish there was, ooh, there's like a little bit left, hold on. It gives my hair a nice sheen. I like to like spray it when I let my hair down in the morning because it's for dry, brittle, and dull hair. And shea butter, jojoba oil, and sweet almond oil, and I absolutely love sweet almond oil. And so yeah, I just get a nice little shine to my hair whenever I'm done, and it's just a product that I keep going back to, I keep loving, I'll keep repurchasing. The last hair oil is actually this Curlsmith Strength Recipe Bonding Oil. Y'all, I absolutely love this. Saved just enough so I could do it when I did my hair today because I knew it was out and I was doing this video. But I take it like this and I actually just scrunch it on my ends, and I do this in the morning and the night. And the reason I've been doing this is because my ends suffer. Like, my hair grows and then I have to cut it off because it gets to this length and then the ends start breaking. And so years past, I used to use the Shea Moisture, like, it was like a wax to put on my ends. I saw this in TJ Maxx and I was like, ooh, I saw Bianca Renee rave about this, let me try it. First off, it smells amazing. Like, it smells so good. But I feel like my hair has been doing a little bit better with this, y'all. Like, I can't guarantee it, but like, just scrunching it in my ends, when I stopped using it, I felt like my ends were suffering again. And it could just be mental, like it could be all in my mind, I don't know. But I actually, I absolutely have been enjoying using this, and I'm so like, it's a nice glass container too. And I'm so sad it's out, y'all. Like, when I tell y'all, I was like, every day, every morning, every night, because I was like, I have to baby my ends, I have to protect my ends. So if I see more of this at TJ Maxx, I'm buying it. I'm probably just gonna buy it from Ulta anyways. It's on the pricier end, so that's why I'm like, I need to find a TJ Maxx or Marshalls that has it, because it's so good. And when I bought this one, there was like 4 other in the store, and I was like, I just need one to try it. Now I'm like, dang, I should have bought them all. So yeah, this right here, I feel like it's worth the hype. Now again, I can't tell you for sure scientifically that it's helping my ends, but if you've been watching like my hair journey over the past like 6 months, you will probably be able to see that like my hair is actually flourishing now versus 6, 7, 8 months ago. Last product, I have 2 of them. It's because I have been going through these bad boys like crazy. So another part of my healthy hair journey is taking vitamins, and years ago I started taking the curls vitamin, and I saw so much growth in my hair. I even had joined her challenge, and I won the challenge for hair growth so many years back. I've tried a couple of other vitamins since then. I think I've tried the vitamins, the gummies by Nichole, and like biotin, hair, skin, and nails, and the one I keep coming back to is this one. And I've gone through like 4 bottles of this so far. I got the big one off of Amazon because it was like a kind of a deal on there where I got it way cheaper. So I had the big bottle, and then here lately I've just been buying the little bottle. I have one in the fridge right now that's almost out, and then one on backup, and I think I threw 2 away. So I've been taking these for quite a while, and I feel like my hair is definitely growing. Now I will say the one thing I have noticed is my roots. My roots are so thick, my nails are so strong. Like, these are my nails with dip on them. Like, my nails are super strong. So I know it's working, it's just I have to take care of these ends so that I can retain the length. So that is my goal, and that's why I'm remaining curly as long as possible, because I'm really trying to get past this length right here that like I get stuck at. And it's actually, I think it's growing. I definitely say that these are working. So if you're looking for a vitamin, I would recommend these. The taste, not so great, just drink something after. And the only downside, the only reason why I stopped taking these years before was that it's hard to travel with, because you have to keep this refrigerated, which is why I went to the gummies. But I didn't really enjoy the gummies, and I feel like the liquid worked better. So when I go out of town, either I just take a cooler and take it with me, or I just don't take it for those days. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you've tried any of these products. Comment down below, let me know, and tell me your thoughts on them. And then let me know some products you all are trying, because I am still on the hunt for like the perfect product stash, like my go-to products that I know for sure work. Like, I'm experimenting and having a lot of fun trying out new products, and so I definitely am on the hunt for like those staples, like the products that I never change out, so that I can really get my hair as healthy as possible. But yeah, thanks for joining me for another Vlogmas video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.